My name is Julie. I was referred by a very good friend and my doctor, Dr. Carla Rodriguez. She had had the laser plastique procedure and also he had cured her dry eye. And I was in the process of telling her that I'd actually been wearing glasses for about 30 years, going to different eye doctors. And about 3 or 4 years ago, the eye doctor that I was seeing when I was renewing a prescription basically told me that I did not have the indications of dry eye. So I just chalked it up to allergies, irritations. So I continued to use a different variety of eye drops, trying to get some relief from the pain, the irritation, just, the constant blinking, trying to get some moisture involved in my eyes. So I don't know how long I did that for, but shortly after I talked to Carla, within 2 days, I called and made an appointment with Dr. Gulani. Then after first seeing him, I made the appointment to have the M.O.I.S.T therapy, and that was probably about 5 weeks ago. And I would say the procedure was painless, quick and painless. And within a few days, I could definitely tell that I'd had something done, and I was on the road to recovery. I actually woke up one morning and told my husband I sleep crust around my eyes, which is, for the very first time in many years, I'd almost forgotten that could happen, but that was a really good sign that this procedure had worked, and that I was on the road to my eyes just feeling better, and they feel amazing now. And I just hate it that I waited so long to find this treatment and this relief.